The House notes the 2019 report of the Office of the Auditor General of the Federation on alleged disappearance of about 459 different arms and ammunition of the Nigerian Police Force in 2019. The House is aware of the findings in the report that the Police High Command failed to keep record of unserviceable and expired firearms and ammunition owing to non-compliance to the internal control system of the Nigerian Police Force. The House is worried that the value of the lost firearms could not be ascertained because no document relating to their cost of acquisition was presented for examination. The House is mindful of the worsening state of security, kidnapping, banditry in the country, and concerned that the missing arms could have found their way into the wrong hands.